Hi, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here again with another journal flip through. This one is one signature, 72 pages front and back. It is a soft cover quilted with a removable closure with sari silk. I did sew it, and it too is quilted. And the quilted cover is nice and soft. There are 2 additional journals inside with an additional 40 pages in each of those. So even though I said 72 pages, there are a lot more journaling pages and lots of cards and tags and belly bands and that kind of thing. So inside there is a pocket with one of the little journals. This is a design team project for Took's CraftTable, and I did use the Bountiful Fall kit. It is gorgeous. Here's a long pocket with a bookmark, or you could use it for a belly band, although I did include 2 belly bands in here and 2 postcards. I did also some stenciling. And here is a little wax seal, sparkly, with a butterfly. Some more tag and journal card in a pocket. Some stenciling. Here's a belly band. You could put more journaling paper inside that. Here's my coffee dyed in lace digital kit, which I will include a link down below. Coffee dyed paper. This is a gardening book page. I just thought it was pretty and fallish looking. Here's another one of my coffee dyed in lace paper. I've included some special scrapbook paper. It's vintage, has a nice feel to it. Here's another pocket with a tag and a card from the kit. I did sew the signature in with a sewing machine. Lots of journaling spaces. I am going to include an ephemera folder filled with all the extras from the kit, so the person who gets this journal will be able to decorate it as they wish. I did do a little bit of decorating just to get them started. Here's another one of my coffee dyed in lace digital kit. Here's a little pocket that was inspired by Carmela Crafts, and it opens up, and then there's 2 pockets inside and some little tea cards and a little tag, another little tag, some tickets, one little pocket. Oh, and there's a pocket in the top part too. It has another big tag in it. Another gardening page. Here's the center. Coffee dyed paper. Just a cute little book for fall. You can put things that you're thankful for. You can journal about your Thanksgiving. You could put your Thanksgiving recipes inside. Just a fun journal to have for the upcoming seasons. Another one of those coffee dyed in lace digital papers. Another belly band that you could put more journaling paper in. Love the colors. It's a really pretty kit. Printed out beautifully. Another pocket in the back with another double journaling card from the kit that I turned into another little small journal. So that is the journal. And now I will show you the ephemera folder. So it is made out of a heavy-duty hanging file folder covered with pretty digital paper. I did include eyelets for the closure. Let's move this out of the way. Big pocket in the front with a little bit of extra material that I used in the journal. Some washi tape and a lot of large tags that match from the kit. And there's tags and embellishments, library card, a little file folder that you could do something with. Lots of tea cards, tickets, extra embellishments. Same in this pocket. Oh, this one has the actual library card pocket that you can attach somewhere in the journal if you wish. More embellishments, little snippets, another library card pocket, little circles, blank labels, more tickets, lots of fun stuff. Another one of these file folders. More tickets from the kit. Cut out circles for embellishments. And then there's 2 additional large pockets. 2 additional small pockets that you can decorate the pages. And 2 additional corner tuck pockets. So that will all be included. And this will be listed in my Etsy shop. I will put the link below. Thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe and hit the bell. That will let you know of all the upcoming journal flip-throughs that I'll be doing. Thank you and have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.